We're going to start off this lesson by getting rid of this hello world here. HTML5 has 7 different types of text that it recognizes. Those are H1 through H6 and P. H1 through H6 are different levels of heading text, and P is for paragraphs. To show you what that means, I'm going to write it out here. In the intermediate course, I go more into detail on the proper way to use each tag, because this is a very important part of SEO, or search engine optimization, which basically refers to how search engines like Google rank your site. Inside of the body, we're going to write an H1 tag. So the way you write this is a less than sign, H1, and a greater than sign. And let's close it right away so that you don't forget to later. And as always, this is just a tag. We now need to put content inside of the tag. So let's write heading 1. So this here is just the markup, and this is the content that's being marked up. Let's save and go back to our browser, refresh the page, and you can see that this text is quite a bit larger than what we had before. Back in Notepad, next we'll write an H2 tag. So it's going to look almost the exact same, just with an H2. And inside we're going to write heading 2. Now the H3, and heading 3. Now I'm just going to show you a little trick here. As you do more and more programming, you're going to notice that some of your code might be a little repetitive, and it's easier to just copy and paste certain sections, rather than just rewriting. So now I'm going to copy this H3, and paste it just so it's not highlighted, then paste, 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 and let's just change these few numbers here. H4, H5, H6. Now we have the H1 through H6, which are each headings. So let's now make a paragraph, which has a tag name of P. So just the same, less than, P, greater than. Close it, and write paragraph inside. Now save the document, come back to the browser, and refresh the page. And now we can see each of our 7 types of text, heading 1 being the largest, and the H6 being the smallest. But the sizes aren't set in stone. Using CSS, we can change the font, color, size, and lots of other things about the text. But we still have a ways to go before I get into CSS. So for now, let's just move on to the next video.